Here's how to use your new anchor system. Start by removing the rod holder body from the handle. Unscrew the spike inside of the rod holder body. Rotate the body and screw the spike into the bottom of the rod holder. Avoiding extremely hard surfaces, insert the spike into the ground. Place the rod inside of the rod holder without engaging the threads. Don't worry, the rod will be secure. Now sit back, relax, and wait for a bite. When you're ready to pack up, unscrew the spike from the rod holder, rotate the rod holder, and screw the spike back into the rod holder body. Now insert the spike back into the handle and screw the rod holder body securely back in. You're all set. Now you're always ready to stop, drop, and fish.